Hello and welcome to another Woodpecker from Forest Floor Explainer video. Today we're going to be talking about acclimatisation. Acclimatisation is very important to ensure that the humidity levels in the flooring are at equilibrium with the atmosphere that they're going to be laid in. There are 5 things to check before the flooring arrives on site. Number 1, the moisture levels in the screed are correct. Number 2, that all wet trades are completely dry. Number 3 is that windows and doors are completely watertight. Number 4, that heating and air conditioning systems are correctly commissioned. And lastly, number 5, that the room temperature is no lower than 18 degrees. When the flooring arrives on site, the unopened boxes should be placed flat on the floor in the room they're going to be installed in, no less than half a metre away from the walls. Some of the do's and don'ts when it comes to acclimatisation. The flooring should never be stored outside or in a damp situation and should be stored flat on the floor and stacked no more than 60 centimetres high. Different types of flooring require different levels of acclimatisation. For solid wood, this is 5 to 7 days. For engineered, 3 to 4 days. And for laminate flooring, just 24 hours. Different floors, different needs.